Hi, I'm Steve Santoro, Service and Parts Manager from Generation Kia. Let's talk about maintenance on your vehicle. Here at Generation Kia, we service every make and every model. So no matter what you drive, we are here to assist you. Every vehicle manufacturer has specific recommendations on how to maintain that vehicle. Everyone is different. No one is the same. The most important one of those recommendations is oil changes. The oil in your engine is the bloodline of your motor. It keeps your friction down, it keeps your heat down inside your engine, keeps your moving parts lubricated, and keeps corrosion from building up inside of your engine. Keep in mind that your oil change intervals can vary based on your driving conditions, your driving habits, your weather, and your environment around you. Schedule your oil change today at generationkia.com.